Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a little business technique but is also really helpful in day-to-day life called the game of opposites. So this is about starting to understand your overriding negative or unhelpful or based in trauma emotion which you feel is holding you back day to day and getting to the next level of your business or the next level of your life. So let me give you an example. Perhaps what you feel is maybe overwhelmed and maybe you feel unmotivated. So if they're two overriding emotions which are affecting your day, so maybe you feel like you've just got too much on, you're juggling too many plates in the air, you just feel like you haven't got time for anything, you feel really stressed and therefore your emotion is overwhelm. But then maybe on the other side of that, you also feel quite tired or fatigued, or you know what your goal is, but you feel like there's a lack of motivation to get there. What you want to do is start rewriting the story in your own head and do the game of opposites. So what would the opposite of your negative or unhelpful or limiting belief emotion be? So if it's overwhelm, it may be calm or peace or slow or alignment. So let's use peace as an example. Then with your other unhelpful emotion, which is maybe lack of motivation or unmotivated, what would be the other opposite of that? So maybe it'd be motivation, maybe it'd be excitement, maybe it would be manifest, maybe it'd be goal getter, whatever it might be. Decide on whatever word really feels aligned with you. So let's say it's motivated. So let's say our two words are peace and motivated. You're then going to rewrite your story in your head. So rather than telling yourself you feel overwhelmed and unmotivated, if that is an example for you, this can be any words, you don't need to use my example. You're going to tell yourself every day, you're going to say this to yourself either out loud or in your mind, I am at peace, I am motivated. And just keep saying that, because the reason those limiting beliefs or those negative words or those strong emotions are being felt within you is because your mind is telling your body that story all the time. I am overwhelmed. I am unmotivated. Let's switch that on its head. I want you to keep telling yourself the positive, the opposite to that. So for example, if it's peace and motivation, going around saying, I am peaceful, I am motivated, and keep repeating it. I am peaceful, I am motivated. Talk to yourself as though you're the most peaceful yet motivated person around. I promise you this will make a massive difference to helping you get to the next stage of your business, but also to just enjoying your life more. If you'd like more information about my business coaching course, which teaches you all of this and more and shares with you my 18 years experience of building an international brand as the Face Yoga expert, it's a Soul Purpose Business course bundle. You can just go to yoursoulpurposebusiness.com, all the information's on there, or head to my website faceyogaexpert.com and just head on to my courses and you will see it there as well. Have a great day. Bye.